Our dear brothers and sisters, the coronavirus pandemic is the most serious and existential threat, not only to the global community, but especially for us. Our country has the 6th highest infections in Africa, and these are rising fast. Unfortunately for us, the political class are not focused on health crisis, but on other political issues. The Interfaith Council has also noted with great concern that our communities are not adhering to the Ministry of Health guidelines. For us in health communities, we are alarmed at the conduct that is carried out during the funeral gatherings, some of which has morphed to political meetings. The laxity in the political gathering are especially of concern, as these meetings pose great danger of being the super spreader events. After due deliberations and consultations with the Ministry of Health, we have resolved to strengthen the current phase on reopening in-person worship, which will begin on Friday, 27th November 2020. In this phase, we are asking the religious leaders to cooperate more closely with the national government, administrators, and security personnel at the local level to strictly enforce the guidelines on funerals. We have reached agreement with the Ministry of Health, and the local administrators have been informed that they must control the numbers and also be part of the funerals.